And moving on, Union Heavy Industries Minister Praful Patel has raised eyebrows by saying that the matter of Narendra Modi's involvement in the Gujarat riots should rest after the court's verdicts. Praful Patel was responding to a comment by Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi that Narendra Modi had abetted the Gujarat riots. The NCP is an ally of the UPA.
Well, I don't want to comment on anybody's interview, but the fact is that, you see, we are in an era where we believe that judicial system is the final recourse to getting justice on any issue or to bring a finality to any controversy. And if the judicial system has given any pronouncement, I think we ought to respect it and we need not question it further. Politics is not only about the judicial system, politics is also about perception. And I think it is important political parties, I think we go to the people based on the perception, what we believe in. And I think that perception is not for us alone to believe, it is for the people to believe what we say. And I think that is most important. In terms of any interview, there's no point to comment because it is for each one to give his or her version. But the fact remains that perception today is important, and if the judicial system has given a certain finality to any controversy, I think we should let it rest there.
And Ketki Angre joins me for more on this. Ketki, the NCP seems to be continuing with its unstated policy of not letting go of any occasion to needle its senior partner at the centre and in the state. Now, Minister Praful Patel's comments, is this a sign that the NCP is softening its stand on Narendra Modi as the elections approach?
Well, certainly what the NCP is trying to do is try and give a clear message to the Congress that the Congress party shouldn't take the NCP for granted. Now, the Congress and the NCP have been in an alliance for a very long time, not just at the centre, but also running the state government in Maharashtra. Now, Maharashtra accounts for 48 seats for the Lok Sabha elections, with elections just around the corner. This is a clear sign from the NCP to tell the Congress that it may be a smaller partner in the alliance, but nevertheless, it's an important alliance that the Congress would want to hold on to. And in that respect, this comment has to be seen in that light, given that in the past there have been instances where the NCP has not been taken on board on decision making. Even the most recent instance where the Congress party was talking about Rahul Gandhi's name as a prime ministerial candidate. At that time also NCP said we've got no formal proposal from them. We are an ally of the Congress, we are part of the UPA, and the Congress can very well decide for their own party, but when it comes to the alliance, nothing has been put forth formally to us, so we do not blanketly endorse one individual without knowing who it is. So a clear snub to the Congress, saying in no uncertain terms that it may be the smaller partner, but it's certainly ready to flex its muscles.